SSE truly is like a home away from home. It's such a welcoming community. I mean, from the moment you walk in the door, you're greeted by the ladies in the front office. They're warm and welcoming. All the kids are treated like family. We treat them like our own. It really is just a special place to be.
I'm a teacher, but I'm also a mom, and I have 3 kids, and each of my kids have stayed at Superstition Springs, not because we're in the Boundary, but because I love the community and the way that we work as a team.
It's a place that everybody wants to be. Anybody that comes in, whether it's a visitor or a new student or a new child, we want to show them around. We want to show them what makes SSE the place to be.
The best thing about Superstition Springs is the family atmosphere. We really do have a wonderful staff. We're led by a great man, who's our principal, Tim Moses, who makes us feel like we're part of the community here. The teachers care about the students. They love what they do. They come in enthusiastic to teach and to learn and to share experiences with each of the kids.
I'm also a former student here. I had a lot of memories of all the traditions that they do, and they still do it, which is crazy to me, like turkey bingo, the run club that they do on Wednesday mornings, the spooktacular, and it's fun getting them excited about it because I know how that was as a kid.
We do like kickball games with the 6th grade versus teachers. We do fun runs.
They do a lot of traditions that they've been doing for years, but that's what makes Superstition Springs so special is I get to keep those memories and those kids get to keep those memories as well.